How to send a message to anyone on TikTok and chat with him. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to chat or send a direct message to anyone on TikTok. So first thing you have to do, go to TikTok like this, and now let's say that I want to contact this person. All what you have to do is click on his name to go to his profile, as you can see right here. Now if you want to contact him, just go to those 3 points right here, click on them, and then choose the option of send message. Click on it, and now here you go, you can send him a message easy and fast like this. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.